strawberry and blueberry scones. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you the ingredients I prepared beforehand. So today we have 2 cups of cake flour. We use cake flour because it makes it more light and fluffy and, you know, just better tasting. And then we have half a cup of blueberries and strawberries, 5 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. And also, almost forgot, we also have a cup of heavy whipping cream. And now we're going to go ahead and begin. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start by adding all our dry ingredients together. So that includes the flour, the sugar, the baking powder, yeah, and then the salt. It does not want to come out. It's going to be too good. We added a little more like sugar than the recipe called for because last time we tried it, it was a little too interesting, to say the least. Alright. A little more up in there. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and mix it.
Yes.
Oh, well, I went ahead and put all-purpose flour on the table in like a little small circle so, you know, we can make this dough. It's gonna be fantastic. Just wait a minute. You think that's well split? I think it's well split. Oh, don't forget when you're making this, when you go ahead and sprinkle flour on the table and then also on your hands. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna have my assistant help me by adding either the blueberries or strawberries into this concoction. And you don't want to make it overbearing at that. You kind of just want to like incorporate the berries and stuff into it, so that way it's not like mashed. It's not just strawberry or blueberry bread, because that would be. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more flour because this is sticking just a little too much to my hands. You know, this is a learning experience for me and you. None of us know. Imagine if none of us knew how to make this.
I've actually never seen Dad make scones before, so this is the first time I've seen you make
Maybe I'll learn how to make them. Nope, I didn't see you make them.
I've never seen you make them.
You made them last time, I didn't see you either.
I didn't see them the first time, I didn't see them the second time, I didn't see them the third time. The first time I was sick when you tried to make them. So when you gave them to me, I couldn't taste the scone. Pretty sure I had COVID, but...
So you want to mash it down and make it a circle.
I will. I'm probably going to need some more.
Yeah.
Oh, I think you're going to need blueberries.
Nah, always add more flour if it sticks to your hand, guys, because this is going to go awfully wrong if you don't add flour. It's going to stick.
Add blueberries.
It's going to stick to your hands like mine. Like so. It's okay to get messy and hands down and dirty in the kitchen. Don't worry. You can always be a failure like me. I'm just kidding. Don't be a failure. Watch this succeed in the end. And then y'all better be proud of me.
Flat down.
Okay. Let's make something. Look at that. I think I'm gonna flatten it out a little more. That's a little fat. Let me tell you, it should at least be like at least a fingertip width for these scones because if they are not, then they're gonna look like skinny flat pizzas that you got probably from New York. So don't ask me how you make them. I'm not gonna judge you if I find out that they were made the other way, but they're made. These are made by a professional. See that? Professional.
Take some flour.
Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add flour. I'm gonna use a pizza cutter, you know, professional. I'm gonna add flour to it, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut this and make the scone-like shapes. Let me tell you, first time baking, and I'm like a freaking, oh my god, natural. On both sides, evenly, we're just gonna smear it on there. It's the assistant, don't worry about it, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Is it good enough width? Smaller?
Yeah, let her talk to you.
Think it's thinner, you guys? What do you think?
She's not talking, so I have to get the food.
Be one with the food. And you are the food. And the food comes out of it. Because you're great. Okay. Alright, guys, cut like pizza shapes. Alright, sure, I know how to do that. Messes it up completely. Well, maybe not, but. Look at this slicey.
So do only 4, right? Because it's small. Maybe 4 other one.
Watch that other one be way bigger. This don't look like no pizza.
This looks high.
It looks more like a pie. I feel like I should cut them and be baby scones. What if we make baby scones? Yo, you can have some baby scones. Then if you make baby scones, you can feed them to somebody else. Now let's cut into this. Alright, look at that. Perfect masterpiece. Alright, do I need it? Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and set these on here. And wait for them to melt.
Nothing new. I can't make those cookies as best as you do. That's why you kept making them.
Watch it crumble, just like me. Look at it. I'm just kidding. I just like to say stuff like that because I think it's funny. Alright, let's make sure that sucker's all nice and wrapped up and it's gonna make a pizza shape.
Why are blueberries blue, but when they like bleed, they're purple?
Like that.
No, upside down. Upside down. Upside down. Upside down. Upside down. Upside down.
Oh, shoot.
I said upside down.
Can I do the same thing?
Yes.
This way. Look at that. Let me tell you, you can't make
Turn it upside down. Should.
No, okay.
Actually, no. See, like that. Oh. Yeah, that one was a little bit. That
Let
was
me tell you.
thinking.
You will not die if you try to eat this.
What has almonds, honey, sugar, and sweetness from cake to cake.
What?
Marzipan.
Oh. Tarzan, I get it.
These are which days in baseball player like the most?
What do you mean?
A bunny. You know the bunny is in baseball?
No.
When you got the pitches, throw the ball, you step into it, just bunny so it don't go like one distance.
Oh.
Oh, it's just like right in front of you?
Yeah, bunny.
Alicia's gotta tell a joke, so.
What kind of bunny are you?
Yeah.
What do you call a big birthday cake?
I don't know.
You know coffee cake? You know
Like
coffee
coffee?
cake, right? Yeah, what you call a thick cake? A coffee cake. You know coffee cake?
No. Was the cake made out of coffee?
See, this is why we can't be bakers.
This one can't be
Why
baked.
is the birthday?
Is the camera
why
on?
does the birthday cake go see
Yeah, is the camera on off or something?
Let's put on.
Oh, you just show it all over the place, yeah?
Why does the birthday cake go
Oh. Okay, Alicia.
Joke of the day.
What?
No, Why didn't the cake make it on time?
Wait, what?
Why didn't the cake make it on time for the party?
Because it was. Wait, I feel like I know this one. It's a type of cake, isn't it? There's no such thing as a late cake, so.
Chocolate.
Okay. Joke of the day, Alicia.
Why was the cake late for the party?
Why? Dad, knee slap.
That's a bad one.
Alicia, you're making it so flat.
Because it's like that. If you need some.
Alicia,
No, Gabby, you don't understand.
you're right, I don't understand. I've never made these before. Make me understand. Make me understand. Why are you making it so flat? Just explain. What are you doing
literally,
here?
look how like if you want a flat thing,
You said a finger.
It's about a finger. But my pinky finger.
Fingers are
You can
fat.
make more with these. Do you want it more thicker? I can make it more circular.
No.
Fine, I'll make it
But
more
those are
circular.
bigger.
Well, they're gonna fluff up anyways.
Yeah, but they're gonna be fatter. Okay,
Look at this. Look at this.
time to cut.
Masterpiece. Let me add some more flour. on the pizza cutter, for sure. Not the thing.
For sure.
Not the concoction.
For sure.
They'll never do that. It sounds like. All right. Now you just want to cut it like a pizza.
Dad,
Why do we need to make it
chocolate.
Look how silly. Look at that crumble. That's what you want to see, my dudes.
Shut up.
Look at cake, take it a birthday boy.
What?
Oh, it's gonna get beat up.
Drop that. Dad.
All right, we're bringing the pan.
Be an assistant. Oh, is this what I am now?
How do you know when you're too old for a birthday cake?
What?
Camera costs more than cake.
Such a sad joke.
That one was kind of.
I think we need another one, Chef. These ones are bigger.
Well, one day, birthday cake is
Told you.
always a lot.
We need another pan.
Because we want to.
Chef, we need more.
Why you cut it too big?
There was a lot more batter for this one.
Because we need it.
Gabby said she wanted more strawberry. So I gave her more strawberry. Where you get burned by the heat. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, and here's these delicious looking scrumptious scones.
Why'd you lift it up so high? Did I lift it too high?
Dang, look at that, look at that.
So talking about strawberry.
Let's get the blueberry and strawberry looking ones. Wow! Nice and crispy and toasty. Alright, so we put ours in there on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And that's promptly about how long you want to put them in. Now we're gonna get some of the whipping cream, the heavy whipping cream, like this. And I'm just gonna like lightly coat them in this. And it'll kind of just like ease the flavor a little bit. You know, make them not so burnt looking. You might be able to just come back in a few after I get like a few of these. I'm probably just like, see that crumble? Alright, now time to create the glaze. Okay, go ahead, stop before you go. Alright, so I've added 3 tablespoons of butter. As you can see, it's just the rest of the butter that we used earlier. I'm also gonna add a half a cup of powdered sugar to, you know, make it like a, it's gonna turn out kind of chunky, but then we're gonna warm up some of that milk, the heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna put that in here to make it kind of creamy for your glaze that you're gonna add on top of the scones. So, alright, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle this in here. It's gonna get kind of crazy. I might actually just put all this in there. It's less work for me. Alright, and I also went ahead and plugged up our electrical mixer. Hand mixer, I almost forgot what it's called. I was looking at you like.
I was like, why are you looking at me?
And then we're gonna go ahead and try to mix this up a little bit. Let's hope this goes well. I haven't used one of these. Chop up the butter. Look at that. This may take me a minute, but for people who have experienced this, it probably won't take them that long. This is harder than me. This is harder for me. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wait this. I'm gonna wait on this, and I'm gonna go ahead and heat up the milk so it'll make it more creamy, because this is a little difficult for me. So we're only gonna heat the cream up for about, I just called it milk earlier, probably for like a few seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it back into the mixture. Awesome. I tied back my hair for safety. You don't want hair in here.
I think it was tied back before.
Well, yeah, but I put it that originally. I think that's probably good, right?
Yes.
Pretty.
It looks kind of hard.
Alright. Alright. And a little more. Might need to get some more milk. I didn't tell you the exact measurement because we kind of just poured it toward like the rim of the thing. Ooh, look at that. We're getting somewhere, guys.
No, you gotta get another. Yeah.
Yes, sir. There we go. Look at that. Wow. Ready for the ending. And hopefully the end result will be cream, a glaze. And you kind of want it to be real, like, creamy almost, so you want all the lumps from the powdered sugar to be out of it. Might need a little more. I think it should be okay. Oh yeah, we're also gonna add lemon juice to make it a little zesty. It won't affect much of the flavor though. It's exactly what you need a lemon. Make sure there was no lumps, which is exactly what we did. We did, however, add just a little bit more lemon because it did taste a little more zesty for us, and it can always be a little more creamier if you desire. So we're just gonna go ahead and lightly lather the top of these with this, and it won't. It's okay if it's thicker because it melts into it and it makes it more. It makes the flavor all over.